morning, my dear students. As you know, I am explaining you the chapter, the body parts. So, do you know, learning the question answer or the explanation of the chapter is not enough. Okay, we have to do some activity also. Means when we are learning about the body parts, then we should know how we can keep our body parts active. For this reason, today here I am going to do some activity. Okay, see it nicely, and you can do these activities under the guidance of your parents. Okay, so here I am going to start it. See, first of all, when we want to do some exercise, then we have to do warm up. For warm up, you can do this 10 times. Okay, the next one you can try this. So this push-up you can do 4 or 5 times because you are small only. So here now the exercise of the hand. Okay, see nicely. See, you have to do first of all like this, then turn it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then again in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this part done. Now we have to keep our wrist strong. For this you can do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 2, 3, 4, 5. Again this hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Now we will come down side. The waist come up. Okay. So do like this, your leg this much. Keep your hand here. Then you can do like this. You have to do slowly, okay? 5 times. Then again. Five times. Okay? Then I am coming to the leg part. This one. You could do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the knee part, this part. So your leg, keep this much gap here. Your hands here. Then you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now this part, ankle. Okay. Do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again this leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, done. Now come. We have to keep our backbone strong. Okay. For this you could do this. Your leg this much distance you have to keep. Hands outside. Then go down slowly. Touch it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The next you can do this one. Left leg take it front and this one leg back side. In this way, see nicely. Keep it like this. Okay. This much gap should be there. Keep your hands here and do like this. 1. Then again right leg front. 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? So now do like this. Hand should be here. One hand will go here, and you have to go this much down. Again like this. Done it? Okay. So about your neck, okay, when it is paining, sometimes you are reading sitting on your table, isn't it? Then it starts paining. Then you can do this one slowly. Done? One more you can try slowly like this. Okay? Done it? And this much you do for the time being. And the last one more I am to show you. At last you have to do meditation. Sit in this way, your body should be straight. Then close your eyes and breathe deeply, slowly, okay? Take slowly, lift slowly in this way. Close your eyes. This is meditation, okay? It increases our memory power. This is very important. So do in this way. So do meditation nearly 5 minutes. After this you have to rest your body at last. Sleep in this way, hand should be here, your body should be straight, then close your eyes and rest your body. Okay, take rest for 5 minutes, then done. So my dear students, these exercises are like food for our body. They gives energy to our body, they keep us fit and active. So reading chapter is only not enough, you have to do exercises also. That's why I am sending this video to you. So do it in front of your parents will guide you and they will help you to do it properly. That's all. Thank you.